Hey guys, it's Lauren here. I'm the health coach for Injuryfree, and today we're going to be making a buddhabowl. So today we have sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a very rich source of vitamin A, which is great for your skin health. We also have quinoa. Quinoa is an ancient grain, also seen as a seed. It has all essential amino acids and is a great plant-based protein. We have broccoli here. Broccoli is going to be a rich source of sulfur, which is great for detoxification. And we also have chickpeas. Chickpeas are another plant-based protein and rich in fiber. So I just lit the stove and I'm gonna add some avocado oil. Then we are going to add the sweet potatoes right here. And we are going to saute them until they're tender. So now I'm gonna make the sauce for the buddhabowl, and I'm gonna put in about 2 tablespoons of tahini. And then I'm gonna put about 1/2 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Then I'm gonna mix it. I'm also gonna add a little bit of water for consistency. And some of the seasonings we're gonna use are salt and pepper. So I'm gonna add some of that. We also have some cumin. And some garlic powder. And I'm just gonna mix it up again. Now we have some yummy Buddha sauce. Now that our ingredients are all sauteed, I'm going to go ahead and add some salt and pepper. Today I'm using pink Himalayan sea salt, which is rich in 83 different trace minerals. It's gonna help replenish some micronutrients, good for your energy. And I'm gonna give it a stir. Then we're almost ready to mix it into the bowl. Now I'm gonna enjoy this buddhabowl. Thanks for joining us for Fresh Recipe Friday.